Another resolution, Resolution number 2026-0629 of the 10th Sangguniang Panglungsod, authored by Honorable Zoldan Dindo Didinlayan. A resolution commending and congratulating Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios, a distinguished resident of Malaybalay City, for his exceptional achievement in the international endurance running and his outstanding contribution to sports, literature, and film. Whereas Article 2, Section 17 of the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines provided that the state shall give priority to education, science and technology, arts, culture, and sports to foster patriotism and nationalism, accelerate social progress, and promote total human liberation and development. Whereas Article 10 of the 1987 Constitution recognizes the principle of local autonomy, empowering local government units to undertake initiatives that promote the general welfare and recognize exemplary achievements of their constituents. Whereas Section 16 of Republic Act Number 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, authorizes local government units to exercise powers necessary and appropriate for the promotion of the general welfare, including programs and initiatives that encourage excellence and recognize outstanding accomplishments of individuals who bring honor and prestige to their communities. Whereas the city government of Malaybalay recognizes and honors individuals whose exceptional achievements, exemplary character, and unwavering dedication serve as an inspiration to the community and contribute to the city's pride and prestige. Whereas Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios, a distinguished resident of Malaybalay City, has successfully completed 220 marathons and ultra-marathons, including being a 20-time finisher of the New York City Marathon, a 5-time finisher of the Boston Marathon, a 13-time finisher of the Great New York 100-mile race, and a 9-time finisher of the prestigious Badwater 135 Ultra Marathon, widely recognized as one of the world's most challenging endurance races. Whereas Mr. Tabios was honored with the 2022 Outstanding Filipino in America Award in sports for long-distance running and the 2025 Empowerment Award for Excellence in Endurance Sports, recognizing his extraordinary accomplishments and exemplary representation of the Filipino people in the international sporting arena. Whereas beyond his achievements in athletics, Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios has likewise made significant contributions to literature and film. In 2025, he authored the memoir Escape from Comfort, Lessons from the Road and Death Valley, a compelling work that promotes resilience, perseverance, and personal growth through the lessons he learned from endurance running. He also produced the documentary film Running for Freedom, My Journey as an Ultramarathon Runner, which premiered at the Cebu International Film Festival and later received the Audience Choice Award at the International Film Festival Manhattan in 2025, inspiring audiences through his extraordinary journey of courage, determination, and hope. The remarkable accomplishments of Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios exemplify the values of discipline, resilience, and excellence, and perseverance, making him a source of pride of Malaybalay City and an inspiration to the youth and future generation. On motion by Council Zoldan Dindo Didinlayan, unanimously seconded by the 10th Sangguniang Panlungsod. Be it resolved as it is hereby resolved by the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Malaybalay in session duly assembled to commend and congratulate Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios for his exceptional achievements in international endurance running and his invaluable contributions to sports, literature, and film, which have brought honor, distinction, and prestige to the city of Malaybalay and to the Republic of the Philippines. Resolved that a copy of this resolution be furnished to Mr. Gerald Q. Tabios as a fitting tribute to his outstanding accomplishments and with the warmest congratulations of the Sangguniang Panglungsod and the City Government of Malaybalay. Signed, Marilutis Sinuez, Assistant SP Secretary, and Cromwell Kirill D. Dinlayan, City Councilor, the temporary presiding officer. The City Government of Malaybalay Citation of Honor presented to Gerald Q. Tabios, a son of Malaybalay who turned every mile into a testament of will and every finish line into pride for his homeland. For your extraordinary legacy, over 220 marathons and ultramarathons completed worldwide, 20 times New York City Marathon, 5 times Boston Marathon, 13 times Great New York 100-mile race, 10 times Badwater 135 finisher, the world's toughest foot race, 2022 TOFA Outstanding Filipino in America in Sports, and 2025 Empowerment Award for Excellence in Endurance Sports, subject of award-winning documentary Running for Freedom, and author of Escape from Comfort, Lessons from the Road and Death Valley. You teach us that strength is not just in speed, but in the courage to keep going. Given this 10th day of August 2026 by J. Warren R. Pabiliaran, our City Mayor. Congratulations to all our awardees. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Congratulations.